Yeah, this is from Snuggie Sandals, and they are kind of buy one take one. So I bought 4 of them. Two for me, one in the house, one going out. They are fairly light, guys, like really light. It's like we ordered November 7, like second week of or first week of November, and then it's arrived. If I didn't message them, probably. Look at this. Like some weird things in this, like at least buy one take one. It's kind of quite expensive. They're not buy one take one, and Friday sale coming. So probably I don't know what happened in this one. I'm glad it arrived, but something broke it in this other part here. Oh no. Yeah, it's obviously came from China, and you asking them if they are in Australia, and they answer you like really long before they really even telling you the answer, or not even answering me if they really warehouse in. They probably have a warehouse in their house in Sydney, but then their order is really from China all the way here, like 1 month almost. But anyway, I'm happy it's arrived, and here they are. Like really half sale, but I ordered bigger one, size 9. It's size 9 is like size 8 only. Look, but actually this one is good for shower anyway. We'll see. Like still pretty snuggy fit. Look, I ordered a bigger one especially for my darling, but sweetheart said it can't wear that, it doesn't like it, so I guess I give it to mom. Get present for her when I go home. So one of them really useful, house really useful, and my errands running and walking. So at least if I don't, I recommend it. So I don't know if I do. Maybe I do because it's quite comfy and very light. If you're looking for really cheap, I buy on Big W like $7 or $15. Look, few months later, drink. But this one is quite expensive. That's why it take me too long. But this is local one. Came from Germany. It's local, so it's good. Really, really like. Nice. Anyway, guys, that's the Snuggie sandal fit. And they said they order a bit more size. So if you are 6 or 7, order a bit more. So I did. So it's quite comfy.